Same as students. May 26, right? So May 26. So far we have not started so early. We have September 25 to be completed, followed by Jan 26. But Jan 26 we have almost completed 60% syllabus. May 26, the new budget I have to teach. I have to teach new budget. You know, February 1st, Nirmala Sitharaman's budget. That I have to teach for your May exam. No books are available in the market. CA Institute has not yet released new book. You got tax books? You got yet to be printed. So February 1st budget, then CA Institute had February, March, April, May, 4 months over. So maybe the books can be released this month, June, or maybe next month, July, or maybe August. So till such time, what should I do? What should I teach? So based on whatever experience I have, and also in the budget, so I have to download from the Google the latest amendments, budget, what changes have been made, right? You know, students, up to 12 lakhs, no income tax now. Correct? You have heard. So that is what I have to teach. Latest law I have to teach. Without the help of any textbook. So whatever experience I have, based on that I will modify all the sums, at least temporarily till the CA Institute releases the material. Whatever provisions, changes brought in the new income tax law, accordingly we will start doing. Okay. So KS was very particular that we should start income tax also side by side. So that is why we will. Okay, students. So I am going to deal with income tax subject. So it is Income Tax Act 1961. But recently government wanted to change the entire, because 1961 is very old. Correct? 64 years old. So they want to make it new by introducing Income Tax Act 2025. So we will be studying Income Tax Act 2025 later. But as of now, all the provisions are same. Only the Act 1961 became 2025. All the provisions, applicability are same, and some simplification they have done. Whatever unwanted provisions have been removed from the old Income Tax Act. So now we will start with, for us it is 1961 still. 1925 has not been introduced yet. Okay, so, but with the latest budget provisions, February 1st, 2025, 4 months old. And now we are in June 2025, students. It is 25-26. We are going to prepare income tax law for the previous year, 25, for the financial year 25-26. So whatever income you earn during this period will be subject to tax, right? Now first, before I start, since I have experience of 30 years in this subject, 30 years, meaning, so I have seen lot of books 30 years back. Since 1992, I started more than 30 years. So I started teaching initially for BCom. Okay, so tax subject. So slowly, then I started for CA, and I am also CA only. So I started teaching for CA. So with all the experience only. So I have seen various textbooks for so many years, the CA Institute study material. So what I want to tell you is, I will be giving my own book. Okay. It will have lot of mostly problems from Institute study material. 90% of the Institute study material problems will be done in the class. Point number 1. There will be nothing for you to go through the Institute material. All the sums, majority will be done in the class. Second, past examination questions will also be taken in the class. Past means including May 2025 gone. September 2025 will also be added in my material. January 2026, maybe till then comes your exam May 2026. So some question papers will be difficult, some question papers will be moderate, some question papers will be easy. So whatever the students felt while writing the examination, the exposure, all this will be discussed in the class. And I will not give any homework. If there are 30 sums in a particular chapter, all 30 will be done in the class. Okay, you have to copy. Your job will be simple. Go revise. That's all. Nothing new. No effort is required. Whatever I do here, whatever I teach here, it is more than enough. Go and simply practice. Suppose if anybody wants to, because you have a lot of time left, if you want to go through institute study material also, it is your choice. You can go through institute, because it is not a 100-mark paper. It is only a 50-mark paper. And you have another paper section, part B, GST. Correct? So 50-50, and the paper will be of highest quality. The exam paper will not be easy. At the same time, will not be very difficult also. Will be at the moderate, pakka, best paper will be given. Every exam, quality question paper will be given. So you have to understand, you have to be thorough with all the provisions to solve these sums. So, but it is, if you revise, students, one more thing is, I don't know how many of you are new to this subject. If you are CA Foundation passed, it is new to you. But those who are already direct entry students, BCom, you might be knowing something on income tax. Okay. So, but new students, it will take at least 1 month to get adapted to this subject. It will take at least 1 month to know what is income tax. Okay. So, till such time, you must have some patience to wait. After 1 month over, then you will have a grip over the subject and you will find all these provisions are simple. Maybe there are some 18 chapters, for example. Out of 18 chapters, 4 chapters are a little bit lengthy. 4 chapters are a little bit lengthy. Remaining chapters are small topics only. So we can finish it off. So my portion, maybe sometimes they will give me a break. Outstation teacher will come for some other subject like auditing or any other subject like law. So the whole day you might be having law or auditing or indirect tax, I don't know. At that time, I will have some other classes. So you will be, right? And I am with KS Academy since KS Academy started. So I am the only teacher apart from KS. So KS started this 15 years over. Since 15 years, I am here. So senior faculty here. So ready students. Now coming to this subject. So the material that will be printed by this academy. Once I complete, I will give this, my material in 2 volumes, students. Volume 1, your institute study material will have 2 volumes. So volume 1 will be your institute study material 1. And I'll give another volume, that is study material 2. It will take some time. You know why? Because the books are yet to be released. I don't have the CA Institute study material. They will be releasing this month or next month or August also. Till such time, whatever I have understood with the latest provisions budget, with my experience, I will start teaching. So what you have to do, the book that, so students, this book is carefully prepared. It is in my own language. Whatever the provisions have been simplified for you to understand while reading. So all these are given. So you can go through this, solve the problems, all sums will be done. You have to revise. So this question paper has 2 parts, students. Part A is income tax and part B is indirect tax. Okay. Now part A, you know the question paper pattern, 50 marks, students, income tax, same applies for GST also. Okay. Now first MCQ and case study. No need to copy this much, just listen. 50 marks. First question A, 6 marks. B, 6 marks. Then C, 2 marks. And D, 1 mark. Total 15 marks. This question is compulsory, no choice. MCQ means there will be a sum from a chapter. And 3 MCQ questions will be asked. Case study questions. Maybe CBSE students might be knowing what is case study question. So there will be a sum on a particular chapter, and 3 MCQ questions will be asked. You have to apply income tax law and tick the correct answer. So this will be from one chapter. This will be from one chapter, 12 marks. And then one 2-mark question and 1-mark question. So total first question is compulsory, 15 marks. Same will apply for GST also on the other side. Second one, descriptive. Descriptive, question number 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number 2 is compulsory, 15 marks, descriptive. A lengthy sum will be given. Lengthy means maybe 2 pages sum will be given. 2 pages sum will be given. Compulsory, how much? 15 marks. So this is compulsory. This is compulsory. Total 30. This is MCQ pattern. This here workings are not required. You have to roughly do some calculations, tick the answer. Simply you have to tick the answer. Whereas here you have to show all the working notes, calculations, etc. This is descriptive part, right? So 15, 15, 30 over, balance 20. So each question 10 marks. Here they are giving you a choice. You can answer any 2 out of any 2 out of 3. And this will be divided into 5 marks, 5 marks, 6 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks, 5 marks. It will be divided like this. You have to answer. And see how many chapters in total? Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost 9 chapters out of 15 to 16 topics. So 9 chapters at least. And almost 80% of the chapters are compulsory, ma'am. We can expect these are the chapters which will be asked in the exam, and same chapters are asked because those chapters are very important. So this is how the question paper pattern is, both income tax as well as GST. Right? So this is a pattern, right? 50 marks. But compared to GST, students, income tax is volume more. Income tax is voluminous compared to GST. So, you know how much time I will take to complete this syllabus? 140 to 145 hours. 140 to 145 hours. So, if it is 2 hours per class, at least I need 75 classes for me to complete this subject. Okay. So, this is one. Now, coming to the next part. My class, normally students, I like to come at time. For example, 10:30 is your class timing. Mostly I'll try to come at 10:30. If late, it will be 3 to 4 minutes, that's all. I will come here. Mostly I'll try to come here, but my house is nearby only. So there I will start at 10:25. Here I'll be at 10:30. So, okay, so you can also come 10:30. And between 10:30 to 12:30, 11:30 after 1 hour, I'll give a 10 minutes break. I'll give a 10 minutes break for you because you are learning something which is law. It is new to you. It is not accountancy wherein you have already studied in +1, +2. So something new. So I have to give some time for you to digest. So you can also have a relaxation, okay, for 10 minutes. This is my practice since 30 years, not new. So after 10 minutes, then again I will start and we'll go up to 12:30. And students also require break. I have seen from the students. So this is how I'm going to approach. Then, so coming to the subject, students, why income tax is called direct tax and why GST is called indirect tax? This is the first question. Taxes, see, both taxes are major source of revenue to the government. Direct tax, revenue to the government. Now government, also GST, highest collections, GST also. Why government wants tax from you? Some students are asking, why sir we have to pay income tax? Sir? See, government also wants money. For what? Government wants money for various, you know, recently this India-Pakistan, the terrorist attack. India has signed 62,000 crore worth of this from France, Rafale, Rafale aircraft, this warplane, Rafale kelvipatrukingla, manufactured in France. They are buying some 30 to Rafale aircrafts, which is 62,000 crore. How government will pay all this? We have to defend our country. So for defense, the allocation is some $1 billion. Then we have country development, infrastructure. Then we have health. We have education. Correct, students? We have government has lot of expenditure also. So from where they will get money to meet all these expenditure? Therefore, government wants income in the form of income. Every country, not India alone. Every country wants income tax. Every country wants other indirect taxes. So why income tax comes under direct taxation? And why GST? Students, 30 years back, when I wrote my CA all those days, direct tax, we had 3 types of taxes. Income tax is one, which you have now. Gift tax. I studied gift tax. Third, wealth tax. These are all direct taxes. Then indirect tax we had, in CA Inter we had sales tax, VAT and CST. VAT, within Tamil Nadu, VAT. State to state, CST, Central Sales Tax. Apart from that, excise duty. Suppose a company is manufacturing goods, car, two-wheeler, computer, manufacturing. The company has to pay excise duty. Then we had customs duty. When goods are imported, when raw material is imported, we have to pay customs duty. So, lot of taxes under indirect tax. Income tax under direct tax. Then later on, Manmohan Singh introduced service tax. He introduced service tax. Then service tax, now all these taxes put together, now it became, in 2017, it became one tax called GST. Today, students, gift tax is removed. Wealth tax is also removed, abolished. We have only income tax, even in your CA final. One paper, income tax, 100 marks. One paper, indirect tax, GST and customs. Today we don't have excise, we don't have sales tax. Service tax is now converted into GST, goods and services. So you are attending the class, it is not goods, service. So KS Academy is conducting classes, you are paying fees along with GST. Government says collect 18% from the students, 18% and pay to us. You have to do it. Who? KS Academy has to do it. Students, even me, I am collecting GST from KS Academy. KS Academy is paying me. I am teaching. I am collecting money from KS Academy. I will collect GST. My income is also subject to GST. I am coming under GST. I will collect GST from KS Academy. KS Academy in turn collects from you. So if KS Academy collected 10,000 rupees GST and say they pay me 2,000, they will pay 8,000 to the government balance. I will pay 2,000 to the government. So government, whatever you have paid, 10,000 will go to the government only. It is not my money or it is not KS Academy's money. It has to go to we are collecting in the name of what? GST. GST means in the government. So we have to pay. Right, students, coming to this. Why income tax is direct tax? And why GST is indirect tax? Any example, any explanation why this is called income tax, why this is called GST, indirect tax, this is direct tax. What is direct? What is indirect?
Because it is directly paid by tax.
Which?
Direct tax.
Income tax, okay.
So, indirect tax is collected from the
customer, okay. And then paid indirectly. It goes to the government. The customer doesn't pay directly to the government. Okay. What she says, GST, can you tell KS Academy, sir, you don't collect GST, sir, it is tax only, I will pay directly to the government. You can't say, suppose you are going to a restaurant, hotel, when you pay the bill, they will charge 5% GST. You have to pay 5% GST. Can you say, don't charge GST, sir, I will go and pay to the government? No, they will. The law is, the service provider, the seller has to collect GST from you and pay. So what she said, it is not directly paid to the government. Whereas income tax, I directly pay to the government. But that is for understanding purpose. But really, what is direct tax and indirect tax? Students, suppose I made a profit of 30 lakhs this year. Or KS Academy made a profit of 10 crores this year. Can they come and collect, income tax from you while charging tuition fee plus GST? KS Academy made 10 crore profit this year. You also pay KS Academy's income tax. Can they collect income tax from you? Suppose I made profit of 50 lakhs. I have to pay 18 lakhs income tax. From every student, can I collect, from KS Academy, can I collect a KS? Income tax, no, give it to me. You are giving me GST. Income tax, you give it to me. I have to pay income tax. I made 50 lakhs income. GST, can you give me? Will KS give me? Who has to pay income tax? I have to pay. It is my income, I have to pay tax. Why you should pay? But what you have to pay? GST you have to pay. GST is different. Income tax, it is my income, I have to pay tax. But GST falls on the customer. You have to pay. So, you understood. My income tax, I cannot shift the burden. I cannot shift the burden. Income tax is a personal taxation. I have to pay. So, income tax, the burden cannot be shifted. But GST, I will not pay. You have to pay. The final customer has to pay GST. So, GST is the liability of the student. You have to pay my GST. You buy something, you have to pay. You enjoy some services, you have to pay. Whether it is services or whether it is goods, you have to pay GST to the seller of goods or to the service provider, KS Academy. So, GST, it is your burden to pay. It cannot be, it is shifted to the final customer. Whereas income tax, I have to directly pay. I cannot collect from you. Can I collect income tax from you? Can I tell you I made a profit of 10 lakhs, I'm happy. Even income tax also you give it to me. Now nobody will say, nobody will pay. But GST is not like that. You cannot tell me, you pay GST, why should I pay? So, okay, anyway, GST teacher will teach you what is the basics of GST, all these students. Again, this is also new subject for you, GST also. Coming to this, students, what is income tax now? It is a tax on, income tax is a tax on, it is a tax on income. So tell me, direct entry students, anybody sitting here? Direct entry. Oh, majority direct entry. Foundation then? 1%, 2%. Okay. So, direct entry students, okay, you might be knowing some provisions on this, but there's a lot of difference between BCom and CA interm. There's a huge difference, wide difference between BCom income tax and CA income tax. Ready? Now, there are students, foundation students, see, income can be earned. It is a tax on income. What is income tax? It is a tax on income. Income can be earned through 5 ways. What is called as? No need to copy anything, just listen. Heads of? There are 5 heads of income through which? Direct entry students will answer this. These are the chapters you studied. Tell me, one. Foundation students, salaries. Salary means you are, after completing CA, you are employed. Here also in KS Academy, CA qualified students are employed. They are receiving salary from KS Academy. Okay, so if you are in employment, what you receive? Taxable under any person, even if your salary is in crores. So first one is employment, income from salaries, employment, right? But I am not in employment. I am a teacher here, but I am not in employment. But whatever I earn is not salaries for me. Then what is it? Profession. What we call as? What KS Academy does? What I earn is profession. Cricketer, actor, right? Doctor, lawyer, correct. All these are professionals. KS Academy, KS Cafe here. Infosys, TCS, ITC, Reliance Industries, all these are business. So these are all chapters that we are going to study. Next, my students. What is house property? Rental income. Rental income. See, KS Academy is paying 5 lakhs every month to the house owner. The owner earns 5 lakhs per month. Who is paying? Rent. KS Academy is paying rent. For the house owner, 5 lakhs per month into 12. 60 lakhs. You have to pay tax on rental income. You have to pay tax on, suppose you are a salaried employee. Your salary is 40 lakhs. You bought a house, a new house, and it is given on rent. You are getting 30,000 every month rent. So in addition to salary, you started earning from rental income. So both total income, you have to pay tax. Your income is salary. You have house property income. Add all. Find out total income for the year and calculate the tax and pay. So these are called heads of income, students. Salaries, house property, business or profession, foundation, students. Now what is capital gains? Capital gains. Profit from sale of an asset. Sir, 25 years back, land we bought. At that time it was 12 lakhs, sir. My father bought it for 12 lakhs. 25 years back. Today it is 1.5 crore. Sir, should my father pay tax, sir, if he sells? Yes, 1.5 crore, 12 lakhs you bought. 1.5 crore you are selling. Nearly 1 crore 38 lakhs gain, profit, pay tax. Whether it is land, whether it is a building, whether it is shares, whether it is jewelry, gold, you have to pay tax. Example, I'll tell you. Yesterday, I bought, day before, Friday, I bought one share. Normally, I buy and sell shares. I bought a share Friday. Texmac or Rail or a company. I simply bought for investment purpose. We'll keep it for 1 month. We'll see if it goes up. Yesterday, 9% up. Yesterday. Today also opening 3% up. I got some 21,000 profit in 3 days. What I will do? I sold. Should I pay tax on that? 20% tax I have to pay. Capital gains. That is called capital gains. Profit on sale of shares. Capital gain. You have to pay 20% tax. So, land, building. Gold, you know gold. You'll have a lot of idea on gold. Recently, gold prices are going up like anything. 1 year back, you would have bought it for 6,500. Today it is, general idea, 9,000, 8,000. Profit, if you sell it, is profit or not? You have to pay tax. Sir, my mother has jewelry, sir. She, at the time of marriage, now if she sells, the profit is taxable. Profit is taxed, 12.5%. Tax rate is 12.5%. Capital gains, we have 2 types of capital gain, students, foundation. One is called long-term capital gain, short-term gain. Accordingly, you have to pay tax. Capital gains over, ma. 4, these are all called what? Over. Next, last one. Other than this, if you have any other income, not coming under the first 4, the last one is called income from other. Income from fixed deposit in a bank. Sir, my father doesn't invest in shares, sir. He deposits money in fixed deposit with State Bank of India. He has 30 lakhs fixed deposit in State Bank of India. Fixed deposit. The bank pays 7% interest. 30 lakhs, 7% interest, 2,10,000 interest. Interest, that is income from, suppose your salary is 25 lakhs. 25 lakhs plus interest on fixed deposit 2,10,000. Suppose I have shares. Every year I get dividend. Dividend is also an example of. So any income which doesn't come under these 4 heads has to be taxed under income from Suppose you participated in a TV contest. You won 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh winning from a TV contest. Online gaming? Online gaming is gambling. Gambling example taringla. Online gaming, anybody plays online games ma? Dream 11. Online rummy. Don't do that. All these, if you win, it will come under cryptocurrency. You received gift from your friend. All this will come under. So these are called heads of income. So income tax, students, it is a tax on income. Ready? Now income means I have to pay tax on my income. Students, now listen. Salary, for example. Salary 24 lakhs. Example, okay? Then income from other sources, shorter. 3 lakhs. That's all. The total. The total is called gross total. Should I pay tax on this? The government said, wait. No, you will get some deductions. No, just simply some examples I'm writing. You can claim like some deductions like this. After all, claiming all these, maybe direct entry students, you would have come across, you may not remember, but still you would have heard all these sections, correct? After all these deductions, 27 can come down to 19. Now you have to pay tax on 19 lakhs, right? Now what happened? Now income tax is a yearly subject. Yearly once. Income tax is yearly once. You have to pay tax. An important thing, file your income tax. File your income tax returns. I'll tell you what is income tax return, foundations. So every year, now year means what? Year means, now we are in 2025 students. So 25, 26, whatever income you earn during this year, it is not calendar year. What is calendar year? January. Here we call financial year, ma'am. Starting from started, we are in June. Ending by over 31/3/26. So, you know why budget falls on? Budget always, our finance minister is Nirmala Sitharaman. Budget on 1st February, 11 o'clock. Okay, maybe 1 hour, 1.5 hours budget. In that budget, how much allocation for defense, health, education, infrastructure, all these allocation. And then she will start direct tax proposals, indirect tax proposals, all these will be there in the budget. When it is 1st February, and this will come into effect from, students, before Modi government, budget was on 28th February. Modi government preponed it by, so 1st February. Budget every year In India, Nirmala Sitharaman has so far presented 8 budgets. How many budgets? 8 budgets. So, budget will be on 1st February. That will come into effect from 1st April. Ready. Whatever income you earn during this period, whatever income you earn during this period will be assessed. Will be, who will assess? Government, okay, income tax department in the following year. See, 1st April to 31st March, whatever income you earn up to 31st March, income is computed like this. Sir, for this year, my income is 19 lakhs and you have to pay tax in the next year. What is the next year? 26. After paying tax, you have to submit. What you have to submit? You have to furnish income tax return. You know what is income tax return, na? Foundation students. Income tax return means statement submit pannu. You have to submit a statement to the government online filing pannu. How much is your salary? How much is your income from other sources? How much deductions? All these you have to in a statement. The income tax return, first your name will be there, followed by your father's name, address, your PAN number, Aadhaar number, link avunu. Then which year, for which year you are filing? 25, 26, assessment year, 26, 27. I'll come to what is assessment year. So all these details, then residential status. Are you a resident? Non-resident? So these are all basic details. After that, you have to give salary, then other sources, then all these deductions, everything you have to fill up and submit a statement, online filing to income tax department. And your return submitted will be processed. They will check everything is correct or not. When? In the subsequent year. So that is why students, this is called, and the income that is earned during this period is assessed in the following year, called. But the government feels there is a confusion in previous year. People are not able to understand what is previous year. Income tax will issue a notice. They will say assessment year 26-27. Meaning, you have to bring details for. Now, people will bring details for this. Sir, you only gave 26-27 in the notice, sir. 26-27 assessment year, I am saying. Meaning, you have to bring all the income details for. Therefore, now in the Income Tax Act 2025, government is removing, direct entry students, they are removing this confusion. Hereafter, this will be called financial year. This will be called tax year. No more previous year assessment year. Financial year, tax year. At least now people should understand what is financial year, what is. So they will say financial year 25-26, tax year 26-27. But for our exam, as of now, students, we have two terms: previous year, assessment. What is previous year? The year in which you earn income. The year in which you earn income is called previous year. What is assessment year? The year in which you pay tax, the year in which you file your income tax return, and the year in which your income is processed, assessed in the following year. The following year is called, the year that follows the previous year is called assessment year. So the two terms, previous year, assessment year. Income is earned during the previous year and it is assessed. Whatever you have earned will be assessed in the following year, called assessment year. Understood? Now students, so you have to pay tax on this. File your income tax return. Okay, so this is what is done. Understood? Any question you want to ask? Now, my students, 19 lakhs income. Sir, how much tax I have to pay? How much? tax I have to pay. Now, Nirmala Sitharaman, in India, there are two tax regimes. I don't know how you know that. There are, one is old tax regime and old tax regime, new tax regime. Old, up to 2,50,000 no income tax. 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs you have to pay 5 lakhs to above students. Hey, how many of your foundation students, ma? First, because they how many of your foundation, ma? 2, 5, 6. Okay. First time you are coming across all this, Ilya. Now, see, students. Direct entry students, you would have come across all this. So, up to 2.5 lakhs. This is old tax regime, students. Not now. It is there for so many years. What is the meaning of this? What is your total income? How to calculate tax on 19 lakhs under the old tax regime? Up to 2.5 lakhs, no income tax. Sir, my income is 20,000, sir, monthly. 20,000, that's all, into 12. 2,40,000, no income tax. Sir, should I file my income tax return? No. You have to file your income tax return if your income exceeds. Students, this is called basic exemption limit. Basic exemption limit. In other words, maximum amount not chargeable to tax. Maximum amount not chargeable to tax. 2.5 lakhs, no tax. Between 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs? 3 lakhs income. 3 lakhs income. 2.5 lakhs free. Balance. 50,000, 5%. 50,000, 5%, 2,500. Then some years back, government said, if your income is less than 5 lakhs also, you need not pay any tax. We will give you discount. Up to 5 lakhs, no income tax. We will give you a rebate. What is that called? Discount, a rebate. Now 2,500 discount. Suppose your income is 4 lakhs. 2.5 lakhs free. Balance. 1,50,000 into 5%. 7,500. 7,500 discount. Your income is 5 lakhs. 2.5 lakhs free. Balance 2.5 lakhs, 5%. 12,500. 12,500 free. So up to 5 lakhs, no income tax in India. I am talking about students. Today, 99% of the taxpayers are. So first we are learning 1% scheme. So up to 5 lakhs, you need not pay any income tax. You will get a discount of 12,500. Suppose if your income is more than 5 lakhs. More than 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. What is the tax rate? 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. 1 lakh to 20%. For 1 lakh excess, you have to pay 20%. 5 lakhs, sir? You understood this? Say, income is on 5 lakhs. What is the tax, ma? We calculated on 5 lakhs. 2.5 lakhs, 0. Next to 2.5 lakhs, 5%, 12,500. So, On 5 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs free. Balance 2.5 lakhs, 5%. So 5 lakhs, 12,500. Above 5 lakhs, 5%. Above 5 lakhs, sir, any discount, sir? No. Why? Your total income is more than 5 lakhs. No discount under the old tax regime. So, should I pay 32,500? Yes. Plus, government added health and education cess of some 20 years back they introduced this cess. Cess means additional income tax. All taxpayers have to pay this. It was 2% at the beginning. It was primary education cess. Government wanted to give free education to children in rural areas. Free education. For that, government needed some funds. So taxpayers, please contribute 2% of your income tax. Specifically, we are going to use that money for funding education in India up to 5th standard, primary. Then it was so successful, government wanted to extend it to higher secondary level. Then they said, we are adding 1% extra, you pay 3% hereafter. So people started paying 3% cess. Then Modi government came, he said, I want to give free health facilities for all poor. So taxpayers, you pay 1% extra. That is why today it is called health and education cess 4%. See, 32,500 into 4%. You have to pay this. So students, if your income is 7 lakhs, if your income is 7 lakhs, 5 lakhs, balance into 20%. Plus 4% over. 8 lakhs. 5 lakhs. 8 minus 5. Into 20%. Plus 4% cess. 9 lakhs. 5 lakhs. Balance. Into 20%. Plus 4% cess. 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. 5 lakhs. 10 minus 5. 5 lakhs into 20%. 1 lakh plus 12,500. 112,500. 112,500. 112,500. 11 lakhs. Now listen, slab is getting changed. 11 lakhs. Above, you have to pay. That is the highest tax bracket, 30%. Above 10 lakhs. Students, now listen. If your income is 11 lakhs, on 10 lakhs, you have to pay 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 12,500. 10 minus 5. 5 into 20%, 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 12,500. 1 lakh. So 10 lakhs, 112,500. Balance 10. The tax rate is 30%. So you understood, see. First 2.5 lakhs, no tax. Correct? Next 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, how much? 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, meaning next 2.5 lakhs, 5%. So what do you mean by this? On 5 lakhs, 12,500. Next slab, 5 to 10. 5 to 10, 20%. 5 to, meaning next to 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Next to 5 lakhs, 20%. Meaning on 10 lakhs, 112. So now ready. 40 lakhs. Income 40 lakhs. I gave you 19 lakhs there. Correct? 19 lakhs. 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. Only introduction class, man. Don't worry. Next class we will do all the sums. Just introduction. Listen. 19 lakhs here. 10 lakhs. Balance 9 lakhs into 30% plus 4% says 50 lakhs. 50. 10 lakhs. 50 minus 10. 40 into 30%. Plus 4%. 75 lakhs. 10 lakhs, 112,500. 65 lakhs, 30%. Then, but government said, wait. If you are earning more than 50 lakhs, you are rich. Give extra 10%. Surcharge. What is that called? Pay 10% extra if your income is more than 50 lakhs. Now meaning, suppose 60 lakhs are 10 lakhs 112,500. 50 lakhs 30%. Plus 10% extra. Plus 4% says. Understood? 1 crore 25 lakhs. Richer. 1 crore, 10 lakhs, balance plus above 1 crore, 15% you pay extra. Above 50 lakhs, 10. Above 1 crore, 15. Above 2 crores, 25. Above 5 crores, 37. About what percentage Virat Kohli will pay? Tell me whether he will have more than 5 crore or not. Yes, sir. Then what surcharge percentage? 37% surcharge. 37. Huge. 37% surcharge. So, surcharge. First tax. Apply the slab. Find out the tax. Surcharge. Total. 4% cess. This is called old tax regime. Now government introduces almost 4-5 years gone new tax, but every year government is changing this new tax regime. Every year they are changing this. Even now they have changed it. Now why old tax regime, new tax regime? Students, you know what is the purpose? Listen, my students. Why new tax regime? Why government introduced new tax regime? You know what happened? All these are bogus claims. Not genuine. 27 lakhs has come down to how much deductions, ma? People without having all these, they are simply claiming deductions. 80D. You know what is 80D? Medical insurance. Where is medical insurance? Show me the receipt. No, sir. Just like that to reduce tax. What is 80C? Life insurance premium, PPF, NSC. All these are 80C, 1,50,000 deduction. 80DDB, medical expenditure for my father. Whether genuine income tax department cannot come and search each and every individual. Show me all this. How many taxpayers in India? There are crores. Will income tax department issue notice to each and every individual asking them to bring to the income tax office? We want to check whether it is genuine or not. Nobody will. How income tax department will check all this, verify? So the government leaves it. Only selected people will get scrutiny notice. So people were claiming bogus deductions. CA is helping him. Chartered accountant helps. Sir, I will get you refund, sir. You put all this deduction. You know what is 80EEB? Purchase of electric car through a loan. I don't have a car. You put, whether they are going to ask, they are not going to ask. You put 1,50,000 deduction, reduce your income, pay low tax. I will get you refund. I will get you 2 lakhs refund. You give me 20%, 40,000. Who? CA. Sir, tomorrow if there is a notice, don't worry. Even assessing officer is my friend only. Don't worry. We three are one team. This is what happening. You know how much, ma? Nearly 6,000 crores government was losing money because of these deductions. Therefore, just imagine over a period of 10 years, 60,000 crore lost. So government decided we should do something to stop all these claims. So they said we are introducing new tax regime. Under the new tax regime, you cannot claim any of these deductions. No deductions allowed. You have to pay tax on 27 lakhs. So government will be free because transparency. Nobody is going to claim 80C, 80C, CD, 80D, 80DD, 80. No. Pay tax on your salary, IFOS 27 lakhs. We will reduce the tax rates. Don't worry. This slab will not apply. Some people will genuinely have all this. Therefore, government now, every year they are amending this slab. Now the present slab students recently introduced. This is the slab. Don't copy. Up to 4 lakhs. Nil. Slab. I'll try to give correct rates. So because still the last assessment year is not over. I'm teaching that. For September 25 and Jan 26, last year budget I am teaching. In between you are also coming. So which one I should remember? Okay, sometimes maybe I may write old rates. You correct me. Okay. 4 to... Easy to remember, but... Slab. Is it easy to remember or not? How? 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Easy, sir. Okay, sir. Last year rates, 3 lakhs. 3 to 7. 7 to 10. 10 to 12, 12 to 15. Above 15. Over. Now see. Up to 4, 4 to... See. About 10 lakhs. About 24 lakhs 30%. Even I am saying lot of taxes now if I go to new tax regime. But I cannot claim any of the deductions, etc. Now, so government is giving you choice. You want all these deductions? Go by old tax regime. You want new tax regime? Pay tax on without any of the deductions. So, old tax, you can claim all deductions, exemptions, and go pay as per this. No, sir, I don't want deductions. I don't want exemptions. Then pay tax as per this. In exam, 15 marks sum. 15 marks descriptive sum. They will ask you, advise the assessee whether old scheme is better or new scheme is better. They will give this question. You have to solve the problem, compute tax under both, and then advise old scheme is better or new scheme is better. But students, 99% have gone to the, you know what happened? Nirmala Sitharaman first time introduced new tax regime. To avoid all this, no, she introduced. 5% went to new tax regime, 95 was still with the old tax. They thought this is more beneficial. Then again the slab rates were widened. 25% went to there, balance 75% was still here. Then again third year changed. Up to 3, 3 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 15, above 15. 50% here, 50% there. Then government thought, no, we have to bring everybody there. So now you can see, up to 12 lakhs, now the rebate. Here, up to 5 lakhs, rebate will be given. Maximum discount 12,500. Here, if your income is less than 12 lakhs, 60,000 rebate. You need not pay any income tax. If you suppose your salary is 1 lakh, 1 lakh into 12, 12 lakhs. No income tax, free. 60,000 tax, 12 lakhs, 60,000 free. So what the salaried person will do? Will he pay tax here or will he go there? Automatically he will come. So 99% will now be under the government has achieved its objective. So hereafter all these will go. Nobody is going to claim. Even I was claiming 80C, 80D. I have 80C, I have 80 medical insurance. Even I was claiming. But no use. Everybody will now come into. So first to 4 lakhs. Next to 4 lakhs. First to 4 lakhs. Next to 4 lakhs. What is 5% on 4 lakhs? Next to 4 lakhs. Next to 4 lakhs, 10%. So up to 12 lakhs. If your income does not exceed 12 lakhs, 60,000 rebate. You know, direct entry students, you have standard deduction in salaries. 75,000. New tax regime 75. So if you go by this, if your salary is 12 lakhs 75,000, you will get standard deduction 75, balance 12 lakhs, no tax, rebate. Next to 4 lakhs, next to 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs into 15%. So for 16 lakhs, next to 4 lakhs. Next to 4 lakhs, 20%. So if your income is 20 lakhs, you have to pay. If your income is 20 lakhs, you have to pay 10% average 10%. Next to 4 lakhs, 25%. So if your income is 24 lakhs, you will pay, and above 24 lakhs, 30. This is the tax rate now. So up to 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs, above 8 lakhs, for 8 lakhs it is. You understood this? See, suppose if your income is 8 lakhs. If your income is 8 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 0, 4 lakhs, 0, balance 4 lakhs, 5%, which is 20,000. Like what we did, same. Sir, up to 4 lakhs, nil, sir. 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs, next to 4 lakhs, 5%, 20. Next, above 8 lakhs, 10%. For 8 lakhs, for 8 lakhs, suppose your income is 9 lakhs. Sir, 8 lakhs today, hey, very normal, man. 8 lakhs 20,000 can't you pay? 8 lakhs 20,000 is only today. They are not even asking up to 12 lakhs. No income tax in India. Up to students. Those days, you know, when I studied, like you, B.Com padikumbodhu, you know the slab for me, what I studied, up to 30,000 nil. I'm talking about 32 years back. Up to 30,000. Basic exemption, 30,000. Nobody will pay income tax those days. Today, up to 12 lakhs, no income tax. You are happy or not? Definitely you will be happy. See, 10 lakhs, 112,500. Today, 12 lakhs, 0. So what you will do with the, sir, no tax, sir. I was paying tax. Today, no income tax. What you will do with the money? Instead of paying 50,000, 60,000, you are not going to pay 12 lakhs, 60,000. Don't pay. So you are having 60,000 extra. What you will do with 60,000? Tell me. 60,000 you have extra. No income tax for me, sir. 60,000 rebate, sir. I have 60,000. What shall I do with this? What you will do with this 60,000, ma'am? You will enjoy with the 60,000. You will save. But youngsters, you know what? That is why government is bringing all. Youngsters, they don't save. Normally, youngsters, they don't save. Okay, they are interested in mutual funds, they are interested in shares, etc. But they also like to enjoy. You want to enjoy. So you will be spending money. Government is getting GST. You don't pay income tax. But when you spend every rupee GST, 18% will come anyway. You are buying an iPhone, 18% GST. You buy anything, 18% you have to give. So government wants to consumption. They want people to spend money. I'm giving you extra, don't pay income tax, you keep it. Buy something. So what happens? The country will grow because the production goes up, economy will go, and India's target is to become the third largest economy in the world. Already we are in fourth. USA, China, Germany, Japan, India. Now India has overtaken Japan. We are the fourth largest economy. Another some $600 billion between Germany and India. That will also be broken. We will become the third. And in another maybe 20 years, 30 years time, China will be 1, India will be 2, US will be 3. And I saw some videos, by 60, 70 years time, India will be 1. So, your generation, it is your life now. Next 50, 60 years, you will see all this and you will feel how India has gone. So, that is what, we'll take a break, students. These are the rates. Now, I will teach you these rates. Only an introduction class today. KS wanted to start today itself. So, it's only next class onwards, I will give you a handout and I will start old scheme. Chapter number 1 will be old scheme. We'll practice these rates. Chapter number 2 will be the new rates. And slowly, step by step, we'll move forward. Okay, slowly only, until the institute study material is released. The first book that is released in the market is CA Institute Study Material will come first, followed by other textbooks. Other textbooks 3 months later. So, I have to fully depend upon. The reason is, see, some CA Institute will introduce, will add new problems. So, I have to do it in the class. So, only after the book comes. So, there might be some changes in what we do today. Not the provisions, but the sums. Again, I'll add few more sums in each and every chapter. So that will be added extra. But we have a lot of time, another 11 months or 12 months to go. Okay, so far we have not started as early like this. First time. See, we have other 2 batches. September 25 is still pending for me. I have to finish that. Right on. We take a 10 minutes break and then we'll continue. Students, first to 4 lakhs, tax rate 0%. So tax, next to 4 lakhs, 5%. 4 lakhs 5%. இப்போ கரெக்டா நீங்க சொல்லணும்னா 8 lakhs 20,000. Even for me it is new. எனக்கு இது new rates தான் இது. Okay, next to 4 lakhs. 10%. 4 lakhs or 10%? So total, இதுதான் நிர்மலா சீதாராமன் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காங்க. If your income is not more than 12 lakhs, உங்களுக்கு full rebate கிடைச்சிரும். If your income is 12 lakhs, you will get 60,000 rebate. Old scheme, if your income is 5 lakhs, you will get 12,500 rebate. ஆனா இங்க 12 lakhs வரைக்கும் tax கிடையாது. Okay, now suppose above 12 lakhs இருந்ததுன்னா, next to 4 lakhs, 15%. 4 lakhs to 15%? In other words, 16 lakhs. Average என்ன rate பார்க்கலாம் நீங்க 1,20,000 calculator இருந்தா பாருங்க 1,20,000 divided by 16 lakhs into 100. 1,20,000 divided by mobile இருந்தா mobile போடு பரவாயில்லை 1,20,000 divided by 16 lakhs into 100. என்ன rate வருது பாரு 7.5%. 7.5% நீங்க can't you give to the government ma 7.5% உங்களால government கொடுக்க முடியாது 7.5% 16 lakhs. I feel it is very very less because நான் அந்த காலத்துல இருந்து பார்த்துட்டு வரதுனால. You remember old scheme la 10 lakhs க்கு 112,500. 10 lakhs க்கு 112,500. Today 16 lakhs க்கு 1,20,000 தான் வருது. Meaning 7.5% average. So government from your income 7.5% கேக்குறாங்க. So tomorrow when you get qualified, you will earn this money. So be happy to pay 7.5% to the government. 7.5% is nothing. We were all, those days we were paying 30%. இப்பதான் கொஞ்சம் tax குறைஞ்சிருக்கு எங்களுக்கும். So those days are 30% அப்படியே tax கொடுத்துருவோம். Government வந்து is a partner for non-working partner, but we will give 30% to the government. So, idacha next to 4 lakhs. Enna 80,000. Students, 20 lakhs income. What is the rate average at? 10%. 10% is fine. 20 lakhs இன்னைக்கு அவ்வளோ கம்மியா இருக்கு டாக்ஸ் எல்லாமே 20 lakhs it's a good income 20 lakhs is a good income 20 lakhs 10% தான் இன்னைக்கு நீங்க you are giving tax to the government 22 lakhs you are giving to the government 90% is with you of course you have to add 4% cess அது next இருக்கு next my students next 4 lakhs 25% so என்ன meaning if your income is 24 lakhs you have to pay I think 12.5% around நினைக்கிறேன் 24 lakhs income so the slab rates are now tell me students up to 4 lakhs nil 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs above 8 lakhs above 8 lakhs you have to pay above 8 lakhs you have to pay 10% for 8 lakhs you have to pay For 8 lakhs, you have to pay. Above that, you have to pay 10%. Correct? Now, 12 lakhs to above 12 lakhs, you have to pay. For 12 lakhs, you have to pay. Sir, 12 lakhs above 12 lakhs. Next. என்ன மீனிங் above 16 lakhs above 16 lakhs 17 lakhs உங்க இன்கம் 1 lakh 16 lakhs 1 lakh you know இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு chart you can do it you can just you try on your own wait now above 20 lakhs above 20 lakhs and up to one has to pay students above 20 lakhs and for 20 lakhs 2 lakhs above 24 lakhs you have to pay 30% 24 lakhs is the tax rate இன்னைக்கு new slab February 1st Nirmala Sitharaman introduce பண்ற slabs understood now how to compute tax on this how to compute tax on this ready students suppose your income is 5 lakhs your income is 5 lakhs 4 lakhs 0 balance 1 lakh into 5% 5,000 free rebate 60,000 வரைக்கும் no tax rebate your income is 10 lakhs 8 lakhs see here income is 10 lakhs sir on 8 lakhs 20,000 sir balance above 8 lakhs what is the tax rate sir above 8 lakhs 10% for 8 lakhs 20,000 for 8 lakhs 20,000 above 8 lakhs how much 40 should I pay this rebate means discount up to 12 lakhs, no income tax. Next to 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs. 8 lakhs, 20,000. Balance, 10%. How much? 40,000. 60,000. Rebate? Answer? So in India, up to 12 lakhs, no income tax. But you have to choose new tax regime. You have to choose new tax regime. It is not under the old tax regime. It is under the new tax regime. Then students, 4% cess is always there. Above 50 lakhs, 10% surcharge. Above 1 crore, above 1 crore, 15% surcharge. Above 2 crores, 25% surcharge. That's all. No 37% under the new tax regime. No 37% under the new tax regime. That's all. These are the tax rates. Any question?
What if the income is 12 lakh 50,000?
1250, rebate. Sure. That is a question, ma. In fact, a majority of the people are asking. New student kekra, but I have seen many people have not understood, and Nirmala Sitharaman clarified this in the budget in the parliament also. அவங்க என்ன கேக்குறாங்க தெரியுமா? Suppose if my income is 12 lakhs 10,000, how much tax I have to pay? இப்ப பாருங்க. One person is earning 12 lakhs, ma. I am earning 12 lakhs. You are earning 12 lakhs. You are earning more than me. How much extra? Now for 12 lakhs, what is the tax? Rebate? Final answer? I will not pay any tax because my income is exactly, but you have to pay tax. How much? 12 lakhs? 60, balance? About 12 lakhs, what is the tax rate? About 12 lakhs, 15%. Correct? So total plus how much? Ma calculate 61,500 into 4%. 2,000? 2,000? Question is, because of 10,000 rupees, just because of 10,000, should I pay 63,960, sir? Take your calculator, ma'am. Your income is 12 lakhs minus tax. You are paying this to government. 63,960. How much is left? 12 lakhs 10,000. Your income is 1210, no rebate. About 12 lakhs, no rebate. So you have to pay 63,960 minus pannunga tax. You are earning 10,000 more than me, but I will be having 12 lakhs. I am earning my tax 12 lakhs minus 0, 12 lakhs. Anna, your income is 1210. You should have more than me. Anna, tax param. Because of this 10,000 rupees, will anybody pay 63,960? People will be happy with 12 lakhs than having 10,000 rupees extra. Sir, I am losing 60,000 rupees rebate, sir, or 10,000 rupees kaga. Then Nirmala Sitharaman clarified in the budget. It is not now, my last year. Now government said, no, don't do one thing. 12 lakhs 10,000, 12 lakhs 10,000. On 12 lakhs, what is the tax you have to pay normally? So excess you pay this 10,000, that's all. Inga 61,500 on the you pay 10,000. 51,500 rebate will be given still. So for 12 lakh, you asked 1250, Leah. 1250 you need to pay only 50,000. 12 lakhs you need not pay anything. 50,000 you pay. You pay only 50,000. Don't pay the actual tax. So students, just imagine, if your income is 12 lakhs, 100. For 100 rupees kaga 61,000 pay pannu. Sir, I don't want this 100, sir. I'll be happy with 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs is zero tax. And because of 100, you will ask me to pay 12 lakhs 60,000. Adikapram 100 rupees 15%. How I will pay, sir? For 100 rupees, pay 60,000 rupees penalty porram. Then government said, you pay 100 over 12 lakhs free and 100 kuduthiru porom. So I will teach this. Later on, we will be doing sums on this also. The last year, where are doubts, students? Surcharge is marginal relief. Correct. See, what is the question here is surcharge, marginal relief. Students, suppose your income is 50 lakhs. I'll explain. 50 lakhs, I'll go by old tax. 50 lakhs, what is the tax? 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs ka? Students, all these old, new, next class we will start. Today is only an introduction class now. 10 lakhs, balance? 30%. About 10 lakhs, 30%. So total? This is for 50 lakhs tax. Now, அதுக்கப்புறம் yes, you have to add 4% cess. Doubt இல்ல. Suppose if your income is 50 lakhs. Now, tell me ma, 10 lakhs ka balance into 12 lakhs total. What is the difference ma? 13, 12, 500. 13, 12, 530. How much my extra? Why 30 rupees extra? Because you are earning 100 rupees plus 30 percentages. Idu varaikum okay. He is also happy. But no surcharge here. No surcharge because income is exactly 50 lakhs. Ana here 10 percentage 1 lakh 31,253. Will anybody pay this 10% surcharge 1 lakh 31 for income that exceeded? Why should I pay surcharge, sir? Sir, your income is more than 50 lakhs, sir. More than 50 lakhs by how much? Or 100 rupees kaga should I pay 10% 1 lakh 31,000, sir? I'll be happy with 50 lakhs rather than earning 50 lakhs 100. I don't want it. Then government said don't pay 10 percentage. You have already paid 30 rupees here. For this 100, you should not pay 101 also. For this 100, you have already paid 30, pay another 70 rupees as surcharge. That's marginal relief. Marginal relief. So, if your income is slightly more than 50 lakhs, if your income is slightly more than 1 crore, if your income is slightly more than 2 crores, or slightly more than 5 crore, 5 crores and 1,000. 1,000 rupees kaga 37% pota 9 lakhs, 12 lakhs no. How I will pay? Another government says we are introducing a concept called marginal relief. So 100 rupees kaga don't pay 10%, 15%, 25%, 37%. Pay on the 100. So that's our concept, marginal relief. Next. That is salary people. How not? Students, if you are employed in a company, you are company work your salary is 9 lakhs. You will get standard deduction. And you have to pay tax on 8 lakh 25, zero tax. If your salary is 12, 75. 75,000 standard deduction. Baki 12 lakhs 60,000 taxes, 60,000 rebate cultural no. That's why 1275 tax technically. Salaried people. Because 75,000 free deduction. Next. Now students. Who should file income tax return? Income tax submit return every year, assessment year file pannu. Who should file? I am filing my income tax return since I cleared my CA. Epo CA pass pannano annalende I am filing my income tax return. I am earning. Since I am earning, you should also file income tax return if your income exceeds basic exemption exceed achana you have to file. You have to, sir, up to 12 lakhs no income tax, sir. My income is 10 lakhs. Tax 0. Should I file my return? Yes. Above 4 lakhs, every individual should file income tax return, even though you are not liable to pay any tax. 10 lakhs tax, 0. But still you have to file your income tax return. Sir, Purida students. So you have to file, compulsorily you have to file income tax return. So I am filing my income tax return because my income is more than 4 lakhs. I am filing my income tax return. But tell me whether you are required to file income tax return. You are a student. Are you required to file income tax return? No, because you don't have any income. Sir, I am studying. I am a student. I don't have any income. So should I file my income tax return? Answer is no. But there are special provisions. Special provisions. You know what is a special provision? Even then you have to file income tax return. If you have paid electricity bill more than 1 lakh in a year. House electricity bill 1 lakh mela if you have paid, you have to file your income tax return even if your income is 0. Yeah, government has a doubt. Less than 4 lakhs earn pandran, but the electricity bill 1 lakh how he is able to pay, doubt around. Similarly, if you have spent some money on foreign travel, 2 lakhs or more than 2 lakhs spent in the foreign travel, you have to, government has a doubt. His income is less than 4 lakhs. He need not file his return. But foreign travel, how he has spent more than 2 lakhs? Doubt normal, yeah? file your return. So there are 6 points. Compulsory, even if your income is less than 4 lakhs, you are required to file your income tax return. That's a theory question, 4 marks. So it is not that only income, even sometimes your income could be less than 4 lakhs. Basic exemption oda kammiya, but still you are required to file income tax return. Suppose I am a businessman. This year loss. No income. Loss is a full loss. Ana a shop irukla, shop, office. Monthly I am paying 15,000 electricity bill, sir. 15 into 12, ma. 1,80,000 pay. I have to file my income tax return because electricity bill is more than 1 lakh. I have to file. Even though my income is 0, even though I need not file income tax return under the normal provisions, just because my electricity bill exceeded 1 lakh, I am required to file income tax return. This year, exam la ketam. Another example illa. My daughter and my son, my son-in-law. Recently, my daughter got married. Exam question solran. Okay, my daughter got married. Honeymoon. Canada come. That's flight ticket now. You know the cost of the flight ticket more than 2 lakhs. My income is 0. Past savings ticket. I have to file my income tax return because foreign travel you have spent more than 2 lakhs. So this is theory. Understood? There are another two concepts I'll explain. TDS, TCS, therima. You know, TDS, yes, you might be knowing TDS. Students, if you are an employee, suppose your salary 2 lakhs per month. If you CA mudichale, basic at least minimum 15 lakhs on job 15 lakhs koduthurom. Income tax, 12 lakhs no income tax. So you know what is TDS? 15 lakhs, employer, employer what he will do? He will calculate tax. Suppose 16 lakhs is your salary, How much? 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs, you know what is the tax? So employer divide by 12. Sir, your income is 16 lakhs, 1 lakh 20 tax or the new tax regime. Divide by 12. Month on month, 10,000 deduct money. He will send it to the income tax government. Your income tax will be deducted at source. Students, I am receiving payment from KS Academy. They are deducting tax and they will send it to the government. I have to give my PAN number, all this. So what is that called? Sir, your income is this. 10% tax cut, sir. What is that called? TDS, tax deducted at source, deduction at source. That is called TDS. You know what is TCS? TCS. What is TCS? Students, assume you are buying a car. CA Mudishta, first year, CA Mudishta job kadachitnu easily we can buy a car. Loan tandruvan tappuna. CA loan kudruvan. People will buy car. If the cost of the car is more than 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, cost of the car 10 lakhs mela pochana, the dealer. நீங்க என்ன கார் வாங்குறீங்க எங்க ஷோரூம் போவீங்கல்ல you are selecting I'll buy this car ன்றீங்களா அவன் சொல்றான் சார் 21 lakhs ஆகுது சார் you are saying okay 21 lakhs okay State Bank of India says I will give you 18 lakhs loan you repay in 7 years 18 lakhs loan 3 lakhs you are giving from your money 21 lakhs கார் வாங்கியாச்சு the seller இருக்கானே 21 lakhs into 1% 21,000 sir extra tax க்கு 21,000 I have to give to the government sir. You know why government is adu per TCS? Tax? Collection. You are buying car. I am the dealer. Car na ungalku vikkiren. 21 lakhs. Sir, 21 lakhs sir payment sir. Sir, plus TCS 1% 21,000. Unga PAN number, everything give me sir. Why you are asking all this? I will inform income tax department. That is my duty sir. I have to tell them. You know why ma? I have to tell them why because people who are not filing income tax return are also buying car. How? People, those who have income above 4 lakhs have to file income tax return. Some people are doing business, they don't file income tax return, but they buy, say, 50 lakhs car. Appo income tax doubt or marada. Hey, you are not filing income tax return, but how you are in a position to buy a 50 lakh car? Apana you are earning something, you are not, so they will send, with the information supplied by the dealer, they will issue notice. For example, your father purchased a car, 21. Your father is an income tax assessee, he files income tax return, or what mistake he did, he bought a car for 21 lakhs and registered in your name. Out of love and affection, father, daughter, பேர்ல நான் register பண்றேன் அப்படின்னு பண்றாரு. You will get notice. Are you an assessee? You are not an assessee. அப்ப எப்படி கார் வாங்குனீங்க? So, your father will also give tax. Your name, your PAN number, everything will go to income tax department. Income tax department will check. This fellow has not filed any income tax return, but he has purchased a car. Issue notice to him. First ask him how. So that is the purpose of TCS. TCS is tax. So the dealer of car, students, from January 1st, 2025, anything about notified goods, you know this handbag. If it is more than 10 lakhs, TCS. Horse, animal, horse. If you buy a horse more than 10 lakhs, TCS. Gold, about 10 lakhs, GRT for a marriage. Your father is buying for 25 lakhs gold. They will collect TCS 1%. They will inform income tax. This fellow has bought 25 lakhs gold, check. All information will go to income tax. High value transaction will go to income. Everything is PAN, Aadhaar. Everything is PAN and Aadhaar linked. You cannot escape. Everything is getting noted by the income tax authority. You bought a land for 1 crore. It is known to the income tax department. How, sir? At the end of the year, March, the register officer, they will send information, all this information. Who bought land for what price, everything will go. Bank fixed deposit, you made 25 lakhs FD, but you have not filed your income tax return. This information, bank will send to the income tax department. They will come after that. So, in the Mari, all details are there. So, you understood what is TCS? TCS means, suppose you want to send money abroad. Sir, one assessee is asking, sir, my son is studying, sir, US MS படிக்கிறதுக்கு போயிருக்கோம். This year we have to pay 50 lakhs fees. So I am sending money, sir. Through bank only I am sending. Bank will collect tax from you and send this information to income that this fellow has sent 50 lakhs for his. Ask him how he has earned. If you are an assessee, I will buy a car. Government will not issue notice for me. If you buy a car, government will issue notice. Why? What is the difference? I am filing income tax return for 30 years. Have you filed income tax return anytime in your life? And then, so who will receive notice? You will receive notice. I may also receive a notice if I buy a car for 10 crores. For 10 crores கொடுத்த car income tax return 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs income doesn't match. Issue notice and ask him how he has got. Students, your marriage is being performed by your father. Suppose he has spent 3 crores nachikkonga. Immediate definite notice. Because your father would have filed income tax return showing income of 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs. But how much he has spent for your marriage? 3 crores. How it is possible? They want to verify. Bring all the details. They can ask you. So in the Mari, every financial transaction, huge expenditure on marriage, medical treatment, foreign travel, all these are getting noted. And if you are an assessee, no problem. But if you are not an assessee, notice is expected. They will ask you all details. Right, students, any other doubt irukama before doubts mattum solunga. Prove. Yes, marriage gifts are tax free, my students. Marriage gift, your marriage, he is asking 25 lakhs gift, a friend kudukran enakku gift. Prove that it is a marriage gift from your friend. And they will check your friend also, what he is doing, how he is able to get 25 lakhs, adala paapanga. Mukesh Ambani daughter ko son ko nariya gifts varuduna, they will not ask any question. It is understood. Correct? Next, ma'am. Where is that, students? Introduction to today's class. Next class, we will start straight away. And material hand distribute pandra, ma'am. Then we will start doing sums from next class. Only an introduction class. All the best. Nalla padinga. Next class, continue.